Change is the only thing which remains constant. Today, I'll be speaking about how you can make changes in your life which will impact your other areas in total holistic manner. When you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it so that you will get regular updates on self-development and self-improvement videos. When you are finding this video helpful, I recommend that you share this video with your loved ones so they also get benefit out of it. Like this video and also comment as which part of this video was helpful for you or what was the new learning you have received from this video. I recommend that you watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete understanding of this change process. So let's begin today's topic. I'll be taking a model on which the basic level is the environment, how environment control us and how we can actually overcome this, and also how this environment, the same environment, impact our day-to-day life. Considering an example, like someone says that when you look in this manner, I feel threatened, or when I see this face, I feel angry, or when my boss do not behave in this manner, I can perform well. And there are a lot of examples. And when you actually dissect these examples, you can come out with the responses as there are a lot of deletions as well as distortions, as well as a lot of changes which we can make so that when we are making the internal change, it affects our external world as well. So when you are considering this, that change, whatever the changes you can make for your own self in a manner which impacts your own well-being, it will obviously be affecting your external life. So there is also a saying which says that either we are growing or decaying. Either we are decaying or we are growing. So when we are not growing, we are decaying. So change is the only thing which is constant, and that means that it is a permanent process which we go through all through our lives till we leave this world. So the thing is that when we are dependent on the environment, it's like that we are actually being controlled by the environment rather than we are controlling our own lives. So in these examples, we are seeing that people are being dependent on the environment, be it people, be it the other resources in their life. So when they are dependent, they are actually giving a self-talk which is not resourceful or beneficial to their own self. So whatever the changes we can make on our own side, which will impact our own well-being and the environment, whatever the environment is, it is. So when we are not getting into the environment and getting into the blaming game, instead of taking our own responsibility and living a life which is actually making our life more purposeful and helpful. So apart from this, there is also a saying where when we make changes in our playgrounds, in our playmates, and in our playthings, we actually make a drastic change in our life. That is when we are changing our environment, we are changing our own self. So you will ask that how I can not get bogged down with the environment. It's like that. I'll give you an example which will help you to again understand things in a much better way. So let's take an example that it's a very chilly day in the morning and you have to go out for some work. So let's take two people in this example. The first one says that it's very cold outside and I'm unable to go out because it's very cold and I'm unable to do my work going out. So this is the first example. Considering the second person, the second person, though he is saying that it's very chilly or it's very windy or it's very cold outside, I cannot change the weather, I cannot change the environment, but what I can change is my own self. That is, I can wear woolen clothes or clothes which will actually protect me from this chilly wind or that cold. So changing your own self in the environment will make yourself meaningful, and also you will actually attain whatever you want to achieve in life. So when you are not blaming the environment and taking your own steps, it's like that you are growing yourself. And this is the basic level of that model, the self-improvement model. And in the future videos, I'll be speaking about the next levels, which will make you more impactful, like you will actually gain more insights of this model itself. So when you are finding this helpful video, when you are finding this video helpful, I recommend that you actually share this with your loved ones like and also comment as what was your new learning. And when you have already subscribed to this channel, Jazakallah khair. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another helpful video soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.